Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I really hope all of you are having a wonderful day because I'm having a beautiful day because I came outside in the garden and I saw the squash and it's been doing amazingly. And I really wanted you guys to come out. I really want you guys to see it. I'm gonna show it to you guys. The squash, it surprised me a little bit. If you guys look over here, the squash tree completely, I know I said this before, completely took over that apple tree. This apple tree, it bear apple like one time before, but some reason it don't give apple every year. I don't know what, but this year I intend to use this apple tree as a trellis for the squash. And if you look over here, guys, come on now. The squash, they so heavy they weighing this tree down. Look, and if I let it go, but for some reason squash vines are so strong. There's squash literally all over this tree. Look at the size of this squash. Wow. This one is already going to a good friend of mine. I got like at least, I don't know, 16 or 15 squash on this tree, and I'm giving most of them out. I'm gonna keep one for myself and the family, because we can't eat all of this. I'm just gonna be honest. And friends and family, they love to eat the squash. This squash is amazing.
Yeah, friends and family.
Look at all of this, man. This is just amazing. Exactly what I expect to come out. If you check the back, you're gonna see squash. Come under here. This thing is like it's a little shelter. Look over there. We got squash over there. We got squash over there. You know, it's good to pick these squash young.
Over there.
They taste more better, to me, in my opinion, when you pick them young. And, you cook them up. You can do whatever you want to squash. And on top of the tree, they got more squash.
Daddy, Daddy, Daddy.
Hey, Mama.
Look what Jack's did over there.
Come check this squash out. I'll show you guys a baby squash.
Daddy, Daddy, Daddy.
Check this out. So this is how the squash start out. They start out like this. In about a couple weeks or so, this squash is gonna come all the way down to the ground. Really awesome. Look, squash over here. For me, this is too much squash, man. I'm not gonna lie. It's a lot of squash, but I'll take it. I'll take it though. I don't want to go around the back. There's a few bees back there. I don't want to go and get stung. I got stung a few times the other day, but there's a lot of squash in the back. Yeah, so I really just wanted to show you guys this. The squash is doing amazing, and the watermelon doing good too. I want to show you guys that. We planted some sugar baby watermelon, and this year they came out really well. We want to leave them this year. Last year we picked them a little bit too early, so inside the watermelon is a little white. But this year we're gonna leave them. We're gonna give them time. We still have this one. We have a few watermelons. We got smaller ones still coming up. We got a few of them. They hiding somewhere. Of course, something is digging up my containers. Probably a squirrel. That's not cool. He's gonna make me trap him. Yeah. So this is what you find when you go take a little garden walk, man. This is really nice. But the squash, I'm really amazed by it. Look at that. If you guys remember that apple tree, I just want to step back so you guys can see what the squash is doing. Hey, Jax. What's up, buddy? Look at that. You can't even spot a leaf on the apple tree. It's everywhere. And the thing with squash is it runs and it keeps on running all over.
I want to say something.
You will, Mama. Look at that. That's really awesome. The rain about to come down, so I just wanted to show you guys that. Check that out. The squash just keep running. I'm gonna have to clip that vine. And that's not all the squash I got. I got some squash over here too. I got them in a few places. This is squash right here. I don't know. I'm not gonna let these get too crazy. All right, so we're gonna conclude this. All right, guys. I know this is a short video, but I just want to thank you guys for watching the video. You guys always know. Really do appreciate it. All you guys that subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Don't forget to
like, comment, and subscribe.
All right, guys. We're going to check you later. We out.